Subscribe to my channel Rated Unboxing and press the bell icon to get notifications as and when I upload a video. Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you the review of the GoPro Hero 7 Black. So without any further ado, let's get started with this video. So guys, this is the GoPro Hero 7. At the front it has a 12 megapixel sensor which is capable of recording videos at 4K. At the back you get the touch screen, and at the right side you get the on or off button. At the top you get the shutter button, and at the down you have the place to insert the memory card and the battery. So let's quickly turn it out and check. So guys, in the front of the GoPro you get this small display where you can check the video resolution, the time duration of the video, and the battery percentage. So I'm now gonna show you the interface of the camera. At the top you get the notification toggle where you can get the voice control, the GPS and other stuff. On swiping left you can toggle between the photo, the video and the time-lapse mode. At default it is always at the video mode. To change the resolution of the video you have to click the bottom of the screen, and here you get many options like 4K, 1080p and 720p. Also you can click the right side to change the FPS. You also get other options like field of view, the low light enhancement, stabilization and Pro Tune. So I'm gonna now attach some video samples so that you can get a fair idea of how this camera performs. So guys, this is a sample video from the camera taken at 4K at 60 frames per second, and the settings have been made to wide. So as you can see, the video quality is really very nice, and the wide angle is also works very well on this camera. So guys, this was the quick review of the GoPro Hero 7. If you have liked the video, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Thank you for watching.